Greetings to everyone, and welcome to Omicron IoT Solutions. Today, we will show you how to flash the firmware with the factory algorithm we provide in our GitHub repository to the ContraLog Mini. This algorithm allows you to use the default control, communication, and input reading functions, and enables you to configure the ContraLog Mini in a no-code mode via the graphical HMI that you can buy in addition to your ContraLog Mini order or the IoT web platform. When you receive your ContraLog Mini, it will have its factory firmware installed. In case you want to reinstall or update this algorithm, you will have to follow the procedure explained in this video. The first thing to do is to go to our repository and go to the no-code branch to access the resources needed to flash the firmware to your ContraLog Mini. From there, download the .bin file that describes the firmware and go to the readme.md document to access the link that will take you to the Flash Download Tool software, which you will need to download and run from your computer. Connect, using your USB Type-C cable, your ContraLog Mini to your computer and run the downloaded tool. There, set the program to development work mode, set ESP32 as the chip type and press OK. In the new screen that opens, indicate the location of the binary file you downloaded and assign the parameters 0x10000. Set the baud rate to 460,800 baud and select the communication port to which your ContraLog Mini is connected. Make sure you have selected the options shown on the screen. With this, you can start the flashing process. This will take some time before it is finished. Once the process is finished, disconnect your ContraLog Mini from your computer, de-energize it, and re-energize it, and you're done. You now have your ContraLog Mini programmed with the default firmware, and you can configure it via the no-code mode using the graphical interface. And that's it. You have successfully gotten to flash the firmware to your ContraLog Mini. Make sure to follow our channels to learn more about the ContraLog Mini. Follow our other videos and find out more about Omicron IoT Solutions, our devices, and how to impact your business and industry through the IoT.